Hello, this is RV Vagabond Jerry, and today I'm in Truro, Nova Scotia, Canada, if that's the way you pronounce it. And one thing I notice they have here is a really large, very nice city park. So I'm going to show you around. The park has a creek going all the way through it and waterfalls, something you don't find in most city parks. So let me show you the map behind me and then we'll take off and look around. These are the various features that they have. And the map here, the only access with the parking lot is way on the north side here. Right here where there's a pool, and then there's parking over here. And all of the small lines you see like this, those are all hiking trails. So there's quite a few hiking trails throughout the park. There's this big reservoir just outside of the park boundary, and then this is the creek that runs through the park. And the main trail I'm going to be taking is the one that goes to the Joe Howe Falls, and Waddell Falls is right above it, but it's quite a bit up the canyon side that you have to climb upstairs to get to, so I'm not going to do that. So let's go take a look. They've got this nice big concrete trail going through the park, and here is a list of the points of interest, so let's check it out. Here's the creek that runs through the park. And over here is waterfalls coming down the sides of the canyon here. The park is in a canyon on both sides of the trail. And there's not a lot of water coming down here, but it is officially a waterfall. And they built a nice bridge here. I think it's interesting that when trees grow out of a side of a hill or a canyon like this, they don't grow straight out. They grow directly pointing to the sky. One thing I've noticed in various parks in Canada is that when they chop down trees to make way for something, they just leave them there. They don't haul off the tree and use them for firewood or furniture or anything. And these are obviously sawed off to cut down, but I wonder why. Why would they need to saw those trees down just being on the side of the hill there? Maybe it's just me, but I really wonder why go to the trouble of chopping these trees down and then just leave the debris, everything, just sitting here forever. There's a lot of small waterfalls like this all throughout the creek. Now here's a real challenge for a stair stepper. I wonder how many steps are here getting to the top. Which, by the way, I am not going to do. Very photogenic creek they have here. And along this creek there are several sets of stairs going up the canyon. Where to and what for, I don't know. So here is the destination of this particular trail. Very nice waterfall. And at the bottom here, this is where the trail ends. However, there are steps and a higher trail that goes up there. who knows where. There is a trail map. Very nice looking set of waterfalls. Big pool of water there. I wonder if you can get into the water if you want to go in and get wet and cool. This says where the stairs go to. Here's the falls from up close. They've got this platform here that gives you a good close view of the falls. Well, they have built steps that go right down to the water here. So I guess you can get in it if you want to. It's called Joe Howe Falls. Whoever he is. Are you planning a big family reunion? Here's a big pavilion with several picnic tables that you can use. That's nice. So I'm just coming back from the trail down to the right, which has these features. I didn't see the two wells. And then going up this trail that might be climbing, looks like it's starting to climb the canyon side. That is the Hemlock Trail. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Now this is the south side of the Hemlock Trail, where they have their public swimming pool. Pretty good sized one. With that red water slide there. And that splash. This looks like a splash pad. And then a kiddie pool here. And then the main pool over there. This is the creek much further down. Just past the swimming pool. Here's a regular children's playground right next to the swimming pool. I wonder who lives here. I wonder if that's part of the park or just a private residence. Here's the baseball field, and then I see a tennis way over there. People do live right across the street from the park here. There's the tennis courts. Here's some info on the park and the playground here. There's a bandstand stage for summer concerts, and they even have their own police station in the park here. Very nice city park. Good day, folks.